I have figured out how to salvage this video to talk about, Vcha and Y.O.Universe, why I feel like this group is potentially going to be a really important group. The following video you are about to watch is a reenactment of probably the worst 5 minutes of my life that I wish I could take back wholeheartedly. Viewer discretion is advised. There's no
cut the cameras. Dead ass.
As you can tell by the title, I deleted my footage of me learning Vcha's Y.O.Universe stance. And it almost led me to, fake a whole me learning the stance all over again, because why not? Why would I not want to fake, something so that you guys could see my progression in learning this dance that has taken me over a week to learn, because I want to keep it real with you guys. This being the first time I've ever accidentally formatted an SD card that I did not mean to, I wanted to keep this as like a little life lesson to anyone who wants to make content on YouTube or anyone who wants to film something. Number one, back up your data. You do not want to find out as you begin to edit a video that you totally deleted all of your footage on accident, because I have literally purchased an external hard drive for situations like this, but I didn't use it because I told myself
I will be smarter.
I have figured out how to salvage this video and to talk about, Vcha and Y.O.Universe and why I feel like this group is potentially going to be a really important group for the 5th generation of K-pop. Let's get into it. For those who aren't keeping up with everything in K-pop, Vcha is the newest group to come out of JYP Entertainment. Now, what makes Vcha different from every other K-pop group within the company? It's that Vcha was actually formed in a reality style type format with JY Park, who is the founder of JYP. Essentially, what he did was he held auditions in a lot of major cities and had girls audition to join this group that would go through the training process of K-pop idols in Korea. Opposed to other groups that are formed in this format, this was closed off from voting from the public. It was just more of an insider thing. So not only JY Park himself, but a lot of people from the company, choreographers, mentors, everyone had a say in which girls should be going on and debuting in this new global girl group. There's a lot of controversy on which girls should have or should have not debuted. There are obviously fan favorites, those that everyone thought should have been part of the lineup and those who shouldn't have been part of the lineup. Now, after seeing Y.O.Universe come out by Vcha, I honestly think it's such a cute concept that is geared towards tweens, and that the group that had been put together for the debut was perfect. Keep in mind, these are girls literally aged from like 12 to 18. While it's cool supporting a group from the ground up, it isn't nice to hate train somebody who literally is 15 years old. So, as I mentioned before, I think Vcha is definitely geared towards tweens. Obviously, being... oh my god, I forgot how old I am. Being 24, I got to grow up not always being on my phone and being on TikTok, but I got to grow up watching Disney Channel, watching Nickelodeon, and I grew up with Victorious, I grew up with Hannah Montana, I grew up with a lot of shows that produced music suited for the tween mind. The concept of Vcha, especially their song Y.O.Universe, basically talking about how like you are the only person in the universe who was just like you, like you're able to reach your dreams. That is such a refreshing thing to see for tweens. I know with me, as someone who has a younger sister, like I want her to like see and listen to music like this and think like, oh, I can achieve my dreams as well. It's so refreshing watching these girls, come together from different walks of life and reach their goals together. Okay, so First off, if you haven't seen my other dancing videos, I have progressively just decided, you know, one day I want to learn how to be a dancer. I think that's the one thing that I've always grown up wanting to do. When I was younger, I actually submitted my own videos to Shake It Up, which is a show on Disney featuring the two characters Rocky and Cece, who end up on their favorite dancing show, Shake It Up. And I remember being little and like looking at these tutorials and learning how to do certain dances and wanting to be just as cool as these girls. Which brings me to this point of when I found K-pop, it was a really big part of the culture for people to learn the dances, recreate them on social media. But, you know, as I was learning this dance, I promised myself that I would learn this dance because I think in comparison to Vcha chasing their dreams, this is like me chasing my own desire to become a great dancer. If you can, please check out these other creators that I'm listing on the screen right now. These 3 dancers have definitely helped me in this little journey of learning this dance, because without them, I wouldn't have been able to figure out transitions, figure out how to polish it a little bit more, and just overall the structure of the dance. I'll tag them down below if you're interested in learning this dance. Now I want to show you guys some clips here of me learning the dance and then follow it into an actual final product. I got too excited. Okay, I'm getting too excited.
Sunshine on and on and on and on. There's one Y.O.U in the universe. Don't be scared, let 'em stare. Show 'em what you worth. Whoa, there's no one just like you in the universe. No regrets, go and get all that you deserve. Slow it down, we don't gotta go fast.
I think I'm really proud of myself and my growth as a beginner dancer, and I look forward to learning more dances to come. So if you have any cool ideas, please write them down below. Thank you guys for so much love, and also thank you guys for helping me reach my milestone of 200 subscribers. It's absolutely wild how soon milestones can be reached. It's nice to think that like this journey of me learning this dance, and also my journey on YouTube, is just like that little girl inside of me just wanting to be successful in the things that she's passionate about. For all the love and support, whether you're here to stay for a little bit or you're here and gone the next day, I look forward to just putting myself out there and showing you guys what I am capable of. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.